This video will show you how manager create target. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the difference between target and assignment in SQL Vision. Target is accountable, specific goal, like achieving 10,000 ringgit in sales by January 2025. It focuses on measurable outcomes within a clear time frame. Assignment is an uncountable task or duty, such as enhancing marketing branding, elevating branding levels, or improving overall status. It focuses on ongoing actions that contribute toward the target. With that in mind, let's jump into a story. The team gathered around the meeting room, buzzing with energy. The mission was clear: hit 10,000 ringgit in sales by January 2025. As their leader, you're about to set the foundation for their success using SQL Vision. Let's dive into the story of creating this target. You open SQL Vision and head to Manage Task. Clicking the plus button, you select Create New and choose Target. This wasn't just any target. It was the goal that would drive the team to greatness. You named it, Team Sales Challenge, 10,000 ringgit for January 2025, and in the description, you wrote, achieve 10,000 ringgit in total sales and claim your rewards. Next, you set the target period, start date, January 1st, 2025, end date, January 31st, 2025. SQL Vision ensures the start date aligns with today, so everyone gets a fresh start. With the groundwork laid, you confidently click Next. You know rewards spark motivation. This is where you set up the perfect system. For grouping type, you decide this target will reward individual achievers, ensuring each team member has the opportunity to shine. You select the sales strategy you created earlier to align with your goals. Next, you create the reward conditions. Sales above 5,000 ringgit, earn 1% commission. Sales above 10,000 ringgit, earn 1% commission and 500 coins. You emphasize that every effort counts. As the team envisions crossing these milestones, you feel the momentum building. It's time to set the payout structure. Under payment by, you define the timeline. For terms, rewards will be paid 1 month after hitting the target. For settlement, you fix February and December 2025 as the payout month, ensuring timely recognition of their hard work. At this point, you have two options to finalize the payout schedule. For inclusive, this option ensures that rewards for February are paid during February itself. For exclusive, if selected, February payouts will be excluded and shifted to the next scheduled period. For example, rewards earned in February would be paid in December 2025 instead. Imagine your team celebrating their hard-earned success, knowing exactly when their rewards will arrive, either promptly in February or deferred to a future month, depending on the payout structure you choose. Now, it's time to rally the team. You assign each team member individually, ensuring everyone is ready to contribute to this mission. To keep things fair and open, you also select Make Quest, inviting other sales representatives to join the challenge and showcase their potential. The target is set, the mission is clear, the team is fired up, knowing the rewards waiting for them at the finish line. By using SQL Vision, you've given them not just a goal but a roadmap to achieve it. As January 2025 approaches, the team gears up, tracking their progress and pushing toward the 10,000 ringgit sales target. The stage is set, success is within reach. Will they claim their rewards? Time to find out.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.